Hi friends, Professor Joe here. I hope you all are doing great and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to scalp using the PSAR indicator and to avoid false trades, how we can use one more additional indicator to make sure that we avoid wrong trades and also have a good risk to reward ratio. So kindly watch the video till the end so that you do not miss that trick that I'm going to show. If you have still not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and ring the bell icon so that every time I create a new video, you will be updated about it. I create a lot of educational videos related to trading, stocks, crypto, options, and many related topics. So let us now get back to our topic. PSAR. P star stands for Parabolic Stop and Reverse. It's a technical tool and it's a lagging indicator. Lagging means first the price movement happen and then the indicators does its movements. So it's always after the price movement, but it surely helps traders in entering into a good trade. The PSAR dots can be used to enter and exit a trade, like you can see in this chart over here. The PSAR dots is also good to set up stop losses, like you can see on this chart over here. The PSAR dots can also be used for trailing your stop loss, like you can see in this chart over here. The PSAR indicator is very easy to understand. When the dots are above the price bars, it means that the trend is in the bearish direction, like you can see in this chart over here very clearly. And when the PSAR dots are below the price bars, it means that the price is in a bullish direction, like you can see in this chart over here. The most important advantage of PSAR, it is clearly showing you where to enter and where to exit. There is no confusion when it comes to PSAR. In choppy markets, PSAR is very risky. So you should know in which markets to use the PSAR indicator. Like you can see on this chart, the PSAR indicator is giving you a lot of calls, but none of them are profitable. So this clearly says that a PSAR indicator is not suitable for all market conditions. Now to avoid all these confusions, there is a trick that you can use along with PSAR. Yes, and this trick is called the 3 EMA trick. You can use the 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and the 100 EMA together on the chart. And when the 3 EMAs are well split in either direction, either in the bullish direction or in the bearish direction, and only after that, when the PSAR gives you a signal, you can enter into a trade. This way, your win ratio will go up to 60 to 70%. I do not say 100% because there also sometimes you might get trades where your stop loss will be hit. But surely your win ratio will be above 60%. And your risk to reward will be surely above 1:2. And when the three EMAs are entangled with each other, some are going up, some are going down, it is not giving you a clear direction, just avoid trading using PSAR. This way you can avoid false calls. Now let us go through the charts and see how the chart will look when you have to enter a bullish trade, how the chart will look when you have to enter a bearish trade, and how the chart will look when you should not be entering a trade. So to explain the concept of PSAR plus 3 EMA trading strategy, I have used a 5-minute chart of Euro USD. Okay. So first let us go to the indicators and download both the indicators. So you go to indicators and you type PSAR and you see this PSAR over here. You can click on it and the PSAR is visible. Now you can see that the PSAR is very small in size. So you can go to the settings and change the style. Do not change any other settings. Make this cross sign into circles, like you can see over here, circles now. And you just change the color to black. You can change to whichever color you want, and you can increase the size so that the PSAR dots are easily visible. Now you can close. Now you can see the PSAR is easily visible on the chart. The next indicator we want is a 3 EMA. So we go back to indicators and we click EMA. And you see this EMA over here, which says 20, 50, 200. 20, 50, 200. Click on that. So in one indicator itself, you are getting 4 indicators. Like you can see very clearly, all the 4 lines are visible. Now we do not need the 200 EMA. So we will go to the settings again. Click on the settings. For the 200 EMA, we will make it invisible. The rest, we will make them opaque and a little bit dark so that it's visible. So blue, orange, and red. So we make it opaque so that it is very, very clear on the charts. You click OK. And there you go. Your setup is ready now. Now you have to wait for an opportunity to enter. Now, since we cannot go ahead, so we'll have to go behind. We have to do a back testing. So let us do a back testing. So this is the first opportunity over here. You can see that all the 3 EMAs are well split and it is clearly showing a bearish direction. So what you can do is when the price breaks this PSAR over here, you can enter into a sell over here, put your stop loss above the PSAR, and you can go for a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. Of course, in this case, the risk to reward is like 10 times. Now, what we can do is, if we do not want to risk, we can trail our stop loss manually. As the PSAR dots are moving down, we can get our stop loss down, 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 down. So we need not worry. And then finally, when the price comes up, you exit this trade. So this is how you will take a bearish call when it comes to using PSAR and the 3 EMA. This is an example of a bullish trade. Here you see, here you're not going to enter the trade because all the 3 EMAs are not split. But over here, you get only one single dot and then you get an entry point over here. You see all the 3 EMAs are properly well split. The 20 is to the top, 50 is in the middle, and 100 is below it. So here, if you put a 1:2, you will easily get a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. And friends, like you can see over here, when the 3 EMAs are entangled with each other, avoid trading using PSAR. This way, you will avoid entering into a lot of bad calls. This is a clear indication that the market is moving sideways while all the 3 indicators, like you can see on the chart, is entangled with each other. So by combining the PSAR and the 3 EMA, you will be able to pick up trades which will give you 60% win ratios because you will be trading only when the price is trending. Well, friends, I hope you have understood how you have to use the PSAR with the 3 EMA strategy. This strategy is a very, very successful strategy. You can also master this strategy. Yes, only thing is you have to practice it 100 times. Practice it 100 times, have patience and persistence, and eventually you will become a successful trader. Friends, I have written a book, Traders You Can Win, but First Learn to Lose. This book talks about taking small losses when you're wrong and taking big profits when you're right, and many other things like trader psychology and trading strategies. If you're interested in buying this book, it's available in Amazon in Kindle. And friends, if you love the way I'm creating videos, please like and share these videos so that, like you, there might be many others who would like to learn trading the right way. These videos will surely help them. Friends, I've created a lot of videos and I'll be creating many more videos. I would request you to kindly subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that every time I create a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Friends, all I can say is keep learning, keep growing. Before I sign out, I just want to say that I have created a trading training video. The link is given down here below. Please click it and learn from those videos. This will really help you to improve your trading. Thank you. Namaskar.